Namaste and welcome to the Digital Wisdom Podcast, where technology becomes your tool for transformation and clarity fuels your career. I am your host Sunil Mishra, and today episode shine light on something most people ignore until it's break. Episode number 6, Cloud DevOps and Infrastructure, the silent backbone of tech. Whether you are building app, teaching code, freelancing or launching a startup, your digital work is done on one foundation, cloud plus infrastructure. Today we decode the roles, skill and secret behind this invisible yet powerful engine of the tech world. Imagine this. A developer writes perfect code, a designer creates stunning UI, a client loves the idea, but when it's time to launch, the server crashes, deployment fails, user vanishes. The project dies, not because the idea failed, but because the infrastructure was not ready. Now imagine you are the one who makes sure the system never crashes, app always deploy and platform scales smoothly without apology, but with immense impact. The power of cloud DevOps and infrastructure, the work that may be silent but is essential. So, what most listener feel? If you are in your tech career and thinking, I am tired of chasing the latest trend. I want something more stable, high paying, and meaningful. Then there was cloud and infrastructure might be your answer. You don't have to be flashy, you just have to be reliable. And in this world, that's rare and valuable. So, what is fact, trend, and tools? Trend number 1, 90% of tech systems now run on cloud infrastructure. AWS, Azure, and GCP lead the way. Trend number 2, DevOps is no longer optional. It's how companies release fast, stay secure, and recover quickly. Trend number 3, infrastructure engineers are now strategic players, not just support staff. So, in demand role in cloud and devs. Role number 1, cloud engineer. So, what you do? Set up cloud environment, manage services. Role number 2, DevOps engineer. So, what to do? Automate deployment, CI/CD pipeline. Role number 3, SRE, Site Reliability Engineer. Ensure uptime, scalability, monitoring. Role number 4, Infrastructure as a code expert. What you do? Manage system via code, Terraform, Ansible. Top tools and skill to learn. Cloud platform, AWS, Azure, GCP. DevOps tool, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, GitHub Action. IAC tool, Terraform and Ansible. Monitoring, Prometheus and Grafana. And CI/CD and versioning, Git, GitLab, CI and Circle CI. Bonus skill, Bash scripting, Python and YAML for automation. So many real world story are here. So meet one software engineer, I will not disclose name, a Java developer who felt stuck. He spent a weekend in learning AWS plus Terraform. Within 4 months, he landed a role as a DevOps engineer with 40% salary hike and full remote flexibility. Then There is one more software engineer who switched from QA to SRE, and she learned monitoring tools, built automation pipelines, and now handle 3 live systems from her home in Himachal. Their success didn't come from chasing trends. It came from building invisible strength behind visible results. So, what is practical plan we have to do? Here, your 5 steps entry plan into cloud and DevOps. Step number 1: choose a cloud platform. Start with AWS free trial. Step number 2: learn basic EC2, S3, IAM, and Lambda. Step number 3: pick a DevOps tool, Jenkins or Docker. Step number 4: complete one CI/CD pipeline project. And step number 5: share your learnings weekly on LinkedIn. Use free courses, YouTube tutorials, and document your journey. Consistency beat complexity. So let's recap. Cloud DevOps not a support role, they are career superpowers. Tools like AWS, Docker, and Terraform are your ticket to relevance. Real success lies in system thinking, reliability, and silent mastery. Your action today: open AWS, launch your first EC2 instance, or automate one thing using GitHub Action. Then post day 1 of my cloud journey. Let the world know you are building foundation. You don't need 10 certificates, you need real curiosity plus real projects. You don't need to be loud, you need to be reliable like the system you will manage. So, if your path feels uncertain, build infrastructure intact and in line. अपने भीतर की आवाज सुनिए. Listen your inner voice. I am Sunil Mishra and this is Digital Wisdom Podcast. DM me your first project. Share this episode with one backend buddy ready to evolve, and remember, learn, grow, align.